Electrium offers a wide range of low voltage products, from a simple light switch to industrial installation. Electrium's main objective is to capitalise on its market-leading position and to strengthen its position in terms of market share. Our main challenges on the market are to marry up the cost expectations that our customers have versus the quality expectations that we demand of ourselves. Our main supply chain challenges are managing an extended supply chain with availability of such a broad portfolio of product. We've got over 16,000 SKUs in stock, for example. Before working with DSCP, our supply chain was managed primarily via Excel. Now with DSCP, we've got a very relatable and easy to understand system. We went for demand planning for its comprehensive, flexible and collaborative input elements. For the implementation process, we chose easy onboarding for its speed of implementation. I'm told it was one of the quickest that has been deployed, and the cross-party regular meetings that were held certainly facilitated that. The benefits of demand planning are that they provide a rigorous scientific approach to demand planning, forecasting, and they perfectly match our business requirements at both the aggregate and the line level. We have a very good relationship with QAD DynaSys. The benefit is that we have a great onboarding experience. We have regular annual reviews where we can talk about our needs in the future, and also it doesn't feel like a hard sell experience. Our greatest challenge in the future is to marry up our cost appeal to our customers versus the rigorous quality standards we expect of ourselves, both from our company, colleagues, stakeholder and brands. The next steps with DSCP are to develop the collaborative input processes with our sales and product management colleagues. We are Electrium, and with DSCP we are building the future of our supply chain.